Introducing a whole new visualizer, the IPEVO Visualizer LTSE. Larger text and screen elements. Designed to maximize the compatibility and accessibility for PC users. All panels can be controlled with a keyboard. Tap your arrow or tab keys to move between functions. And press the spacebar or return key to select the function. Use all functions within the UI without ever touching a mouse. Visualizer LTSE is also compatible with Windows native color filters and high contrast mode. The user interface can be identified regardless of filters or high contrast mode. Visualizer LTSE also supports Windows narrator function. Turn on the narrator, and Windows will read out
Filter.
any icon or option
Mirror.
you select.
Resolution. Focus.
With the newly designed Visualizer LTSE, you can use Visualizer in any circumstance or condition on your PC. For more information, please visit ipevo.com.